Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I will do a video on the Vande Bharat mission. As we all know, because of the COVID situation, the international travel and the flights was restricted. People who wanted to travel back to India weren't able to travel back because there was no international flights. So PM Modi started this Vande Bharat mission wherein they're going to do an airlift of all the international uh, Indians who are there and then bring them back to India. So I was grateful and thankful to the Indian government actually for bringing me back from Canada. So I was a part of it. I'm just going to go through how the procedures and what all I had to go through to come back to India with this mission. So first of all, it started with there was the Indian Council, which is there in every country. So in where I stayed was Ottawa. So there was this Consulate of India, Ottawa. So wherein there was this link which was given to us, where we had to submit our details, the passport details, and why we need to come back to India, what is the necessary, and based on the requirements and whatever the reason we have provided, they were choosing the people like selection. It was basically a selection. As of I know, there were 5,000 people in Canada who had registered, and for Canada, there was just 5 flights in the phase 2. So the first 3 flights were first from Toronto, and the next flight was the other 2 flights was from Vancouver. So I had to take the flight from Toronto. So first I gave my details, I submitted it. After maybe 2-3 days, I got that I have been selected. That I can travel back to India from this flight AI 188 Air India, so which is going to be departing on May 22nd. So this was in the last 1 week. So I got this some 5-6 days before that I'm selected, and I need to send some few documents which they was asking. First one was the undertaking one, so I sent that, and then the next after 2 days I got to know that you need to get some more links. So they sent me a payment link wherein we have to make the choice of the seats payment. This entire thing was on our own cost, we had to do it on our own. So mine was from Ottawa to Toronto. The flight which I am going to take was also on my own because the flight was starting from Toronto. So we had to make our own arrangements till Toronto. So on I think after I got the payment link, I did like some 5 paperworks were there. So we had to take a printout, and luckily I had a printer at my home where I was staying. So it was easy for me to take a printout and then submit the documents which they are asked, and also the payment. So payment, there were 2 methods actually, the credit card as well as an e-transfer. As I am a student, my credit card limit was not so much that I could make a large amount of transaction. So I did an e-transfer, and then after this was like before, like 3-4 days before the flight takes off. So we had to submit the details. So I'm going to share you all the details. I don't have the entire thing vlog, but I have few pictures which was clicked. Not all of them are mine. The few of them are from the travelers. So I have these pictures wherein I'm going to be saying how the entire process was done, and how we were quarantined and everything. So let's get started. AI 188 Bangalore to Hyderabad was the flight scheduled on May 22nd. This was the Toronto airport wherein the check-in was taking place, and during the check-in the temperature was being checked. The airports and the air crew members had to be in the PPE dress code. This was a small gift given by Consulate General of India to everybody who boarded. This how we had to wear the mask and the shield during the entire duration. This was the food which was given. There was mask also provided by it. There were 2 lunch packed for the entire duration of 13 hours. This was at the Kempegowda International Airport for the quarantine. This is how they sent us to the hotels which we had selected in the BMTC buses. So the hotel, after we reached the Kempegowda International Airport, we were given some few choices to choose what type of quarantine hotels you want to take based on the budget. There were budget hotels. There was 3-star, 4-star, and 5-star hotels. The budget hotels was 1,200 per day, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The 3-star, 4-star was 1,875 approx for 14 days. Each day is 1,000. For entire duration of 14 days we have to make the payment, and 5-star was 4,000 something for a day. So we had to make these choices based on our budget. So when we landed there were these people uh, who were telling us what type of hotels are available at that point of time. The 3-star hotels that were available was the Lemon Tree and the Ibis, and 5-star was Taj. So we had to choose whichever hotel we want. So I chose the 4-star hotel, the Lemon Tree. So for 14 days when we went there, we had to make the payment for the 14 days. Before, when we came, it was for 14 days the quarantine. Later on 25th, the government passed that it is 7 days in the hotel and 7 days at home. So later on, they just took the money for 7 days, and the rest 7 days is at home. Right now I'm at home in my home quarantine. So 7 days in the hotel, whatever was the test that had to be done, I have few clips after that, the COVID test which was performed. And this is the COVID test done on the second or the third day in the quarantine and hotel. So they took a sample of the throat and the nose using an earbud and then store it inside this tube. This has a liquid inside already, so which will keep it to perform the test. Once the performed test is given, the report was given. This is how the test was being performed. Each one were called from the room and then performed. Each of the rooms outside, there was a table kept wherein they kept the food and all the water supplies. There was a garbage tin kept. This was the packaged food which was given for a breakfast and then lunch and dinner. Outside food was banned and the room service was limited. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Uh, this is really a difficult situation for all of us, and I hope all of you guys are safe, and then see you in the next video. Bye bye.